Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. My helpers are on their way, but hey, we've looked at the bathtub, and I'm sure I'll show you here in a little while, but from my previous video we didn't know if we'd save it or not, and we're going to save it. But what we got to do is get it out of the house. None of the doors are wide enough, so there's no way to get it out except to cut a hole in the wall, and that's what we're doing right now. I got my helpers. Got my helpers with me. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera over because I got to go in and make another cut, and then hopefully I can just flip that wall down. I don't know, we'll see. I hope it's that easy. We'll see.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. Alright, I'm going to try to cut the top and see if I can fold this wall out.
Okay. Up. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh my God.
Woo! Look at you, you strong man. Wow! You got a ramp now to carry that out on.
That's right. Alright, here we go.
Here's the green monster. Easy, Jimmy. Put it in. Okay.
Trying to see why it tipped.
Huh? Did it chip?
It tipped. I'm just wondering why.
Oh, we get. Honey, please don't have it come on top of your head.
We're fine. We're fine.
Well, it's going to tip back.
Alright, here we go. A little at a time.
All right, stop there because it's leaning backwards and it's right on your right, Jimmy.
Right, I see. That's because this edge is still on the leg over there.
Oh, there isn't?
Riding on the leg over here.
I didn't know a leg was broken.
No, it'll come back in just a minute. Whoops, you gotta come back like that. Well,
You need me to help you. Want me to go get the stand for this thing?
nope. I just needed to flip that over.
It's stuck on the wall over here, Jim.
There we go.
Nice job. Nice job.
Here we go.
All right. There it is. Not bad. It's one piece. And, why is the sun so far in my way I can't see a thing? There it is. There it is. Sun's in my eyes. So we looked these up. They're anywhere from $1,200 for a cheap one, and the one pieces are like over $2,000. Ridiculous.
And this one's been here for a while.
Fiberglass.
We haven't found a date on it, but I know it's got to be. Geez, we've been here for what, 7 years?
This is our 7th season.
And it was the house was empty for 10 to 15 years before that.
So
It's an older model, and it's got the hardware with it. The faucet controller. It's got all the piping.
we got the same one at home. Isn't that silly? The faucets are cheap though. They pit out, but get a new faucet. This is Harper. She's 6 years old. She's about over 4'2".
Mommy.
Oh! Missing the video over here. So Jimmy put an old scrap piece of the zip zip system so he can have something flat to put the tub surround on. Jimmy, you want, I'll tell you when. You're not going under that thing, are you? Honey?
No.
Oh. Are you going to walk it on there?
Yeah.
All right, back up, Papa. He doesn't evidently want our help.
He's strong.
I know he's strong. He's very strong.
Move that thing out of there. You think he can move it?
Well,
over
it's
the
fiberglass. I couldn't have moved it. My arms and hands are too weak. Do you see how he's walking it? You walk one end, and you walk another.
Can I see?
Yeah, I'm just taking the picture, see? You get older, you can do the video, and I can help Papa. Honey, I do the other side.
Yep.
It's gonna fall.
Why do you write something on the back?
We didn't do anything, honey, that was there. You know, the guy before us could have bought that is a salvage company where people order stuff and then they don't ever come and pick it up and pay for it, and then they sell it cheaper to a contractor. So,
Can I ride on the Kubota with him?
what?
Can I ride on the Kubota with him?
You'll have to ask Papa. I don't know. It might be too dangerous, this trip. Might be too dangerous. He's got to tie that on there. We can't lose it.
It's raining, Papa.
Shh.
That could flip back on
I
him
know,
and then-
I know. He's not going to listen to me, Papa.
Okay.
Okay, everybody. He got it loaded. Here we go, up to camp. Backing up is not too smart for me. It's 76 up this hill. Gotta come around the birch trees. Yeah. No, don't do it anymore. Come forward.
How's it look from the top stair? On the next second stair, not necessarily the top.
You're gonna be on the third, and I don't think you're gonna get it any higher. Back up, Papa, please. Okay, you're on the second stair.
Can't hear you, what?
You're on the second stair, but you're about that high up off it.
I want to make sure that I'm out that way enough.
He's going a little higher.
I want to try to get it somewhere near level.
It's pretty level now. So he's inside the house.
Okay, so I'm not sure if this is going to come out in the exact order of the way everything happened, but I've got the wall back up. This is the wall that we cut out the other day to get the tub out, and I've since put it back and fixed it into place again. So other than the line around the edge, obviously it fit pretty good. I'll go up and I'll show you how the tub is. Okay, so this is where the tub is going to end up. And anybody that's bought a one-piece tub combo with the handle and spout and everything that goes along with it, you know the unit is probably easily over $1,000 today. So anyway, we saved some money there. And the sink for the loft bedroom really cleaned up nice. Not sure if you can see this, but yeah, she cleaned up nice. So big savings there too. Okay, so thanks for coming along on this tub saving episode. If I can get out of the way here. And the sink reclaiming, whatever the word is. Anyway, we saved a ton of money. So thanks for watching, and we'll have some more videos before you know it. Bye for now. Like and subscribe, please. Love y'all.